Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons.
April 21, 2025, Alma police pursued Brian Beecham as he fled on a Grom motorcycle at 55 miles per hour. The pursuit ended when Beecham lost control of his motorcycle and crashed at Crawford Street.
Get your fucking hands up! Put your hands on top of your head right now. If you move, I will shoot you. Do you understand me? Yes, sir. 29, they break out across the road. Leave this hand on top of your fucking head.
He was arrested on charges of reckless endangerment, driving without a license, without plates, without insurance, speeding, and traffic violations.
Well, guess what? Now you're selling it.
July 19, 2020, in Arkansas, Weston Ramey drove his motorcycle at 100 miles per hour and ignored orders to stop, leading to a 48-minute chase.
All right, he's running out of gas. We're here at the 81. He's fixing to have to jump off.
10-4, I'm calling Roger that.
Hey, he's running out of gas. He's going to bail.
We're also there, trying to send you to your direction. We got them stopped at the...
Get off the bike, now! Get off!
The chase ended when Ramey ran out of gas.
Get down!
Give me yours, these are bad.
Ramey was charged with speeding, fleeing, driving without a license, driving without insurance, and driving without registration.
I don't know either, bud. So anyways, I'm going to read your rights real quick. I got some cuffs on you, so I'm going to read your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
On June 18, 2019, in Arkansas, a man was driving a Suzuki Hayabusa motorcycle at a speeding speed and was pursued by police at speeds up to 155 miles per hour.
Catch up when you're going straight away. Big traffic. You took a right. You just turned in behind the Dollar General store.
In Gould, the suspect stopped and surrendered.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put the kick. Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back!
The suspect was arrested, fined more than $2,500, given 12 months of probation, and is under consideration for additional charges of escape. On the afternoon of April 25, 2020, in Love County, Oklahoma, Michael Workman, an Air Force soldier from Tinker Air Force Base, was driving a motorcycle at 80 miles per hour.
I got one stop here at the 31. Hold on,
almost got killed, buddy. Sure wish you hadn't, dummy.
Workman was arrested after being chased by police to Carter County.
You wanted to run from me. Yeah, that's why we have problems with motorcycles. I appreciate you checking on me.
On October 15, 2016, in Jefferson County, Colorado, the suspect drove away from a police officer after being stopped for a traffic violation.
Dispatch, he's running on me. He's taking off, doing about 80. One male wearing ring shirts with a blue bag has a helmet on the back seat. I can't get the 28 dispatch. I'm getting there. Blue bag, ring shirt, helmet on the back of the bike.
He's stopping now, dispatch. I think he blew it up. I have some units down here to cover me.
What's your location?
167, just prior to South Branch. Show me your hands!
Cover units, you direct.
Show me your hands.
The suspect was arrested on charges of fleeing, operating a motor vehicle dangerously, and resisting arrest.
Up to 167, Long Creek Road there, we're just before Stout Branch. He's needing a cover unit.
On July 4, 2018, in Painesville, Ohio, Robin Buckles was pursued through the woods by state police while driving a motorcycle without a license and without a helmet.
On this radio, 139 is pursuit. Alright, give me a cross street.
1789. I have Central on public service. They're gonna have a 47, sir, heading that way. Last unit with traffic, you're coming through broken. I can't copy.
Buckles was sentenced to 180 days in jail, 30 days of home confinement, and 9 months of probation, and was fined $592.
I'm right at Windjammer. Is that what you're talking about?
High-stakes pursuit spanning 2 Michigan counties came to an end when officers executed a mobile pit maneuver to bring the fleeing suspect to a halt. The individual had reportedly stolen a pickup truck and attempted to escape law enforcement.
Update from the bridge. Last thing they were trying to shut down lanes. At this point, I don't know. They're getting a vehicle description from us right now. Alright, if we do a roll on a robot.
block. We can probably hit him all right here. We just slow him down a little bit.
We're about 40.
Right on that. We're gonna hit him here.
Successful pit. Copy, successful pit. Backed up into me, hit my car. Backed up in your 16 unit, hit car.
Alright. Open up the door! Open up the door! Watch your hands. We're gonna pull him out. Keep your hands up. Don't fucking move your hands. Unlock the door. Get out. Get out. Get out. On the ground. Stand up. Face the car. Put your phones together, man. Phones together.
Can I have my Bible, sir?
Nope.
Oh, that's good.
All right, right this way.
Thanks for shooting me off. You can shoot anybody else.
They're right here.
Yes, sir. I wasn't trying to hurt anybody. You grab yourself, I got him.
Have a seat.
And Jelly's taking what you said.
To be determined. You hurt? You're not hurt? You don't need to see me or anything?
He was taken into custody and now faces multiple charges, including auto theft and evading police. The suspect is currently being held at the Otsego County Jail.
I'm the